Hello friends, myself Halavat Ramesh, Department of Chemistry, Laila College, Chennai, University of Madras. Today I will introduce a brief introduction about soil pollution. What is soil pollution? How the soil pollution is happening nowadays? And how we will affect the soil pollution nowadays by the human things. Okay, now we will discuss about slide by slide in detail about the soil pollution. Okay, you can see the first one slide. I will show you here the progress of civilization since the independence has been phenomenal, but rapid industrial also brought its the danger of soil pollution. Today, almost everything around us, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and even the soil grow our food, is several polluted. What does all things portend for the future of our planet? What are we doing about it? This questions is very important, right? You can just itself have to think in your brain and self-analyze. Can man with these latest scientific and mechanical technologies meet the challenges? Okay, you can see the third one slide in detail. The indiscriminate deforestation, digging for minerals, destruction of grazing land for human habitation have done irreparable damage to the environment and even lead to harsh climate changes. To make the situation worse, there are poisonous effluent from industrial units, locomotives, automobiles, and high flying aircrafts. Some of other dangers posed to soil pollution are due to the fact that while number of the earth habitations are increasing, the earth natural resource are by or large fixed as well and has limited. Thus soil gets heavily polluted day by day by hazardous chemical, with the result that microorganisms enter our food chain, air and water, which are consequently ingested by man. So these are the main things how our soil is polluted. What are the major things? You can see that nowadays globalization, industrialization, you can see the automobile industry, various industries, they are polluted our environment. You can see what are types of soil. The next slides you can see here types of soil. Just I wrote the names only. The next video I will upload the detail about the types of soil. Types of soil: first one vegetation, second one topsoil, and third one subsoil, fourth one parent rocks, and fifth one bedrocks. You can see that soil itself indicates some plants. Salt affects the soil. If we use the more salt, it affects the soil. Acid soil indicator plants. Suppose the acidity is there, that soil, it indicates the plant. Alkaline soil indicates the plant. Saline soil indicators halotypes plants. These are the itself we can imagine that test will indicate the what plants will grow. Next we will see the major what are the effect of soil. So major effect of soil. What are the effect of soil? You can see here. See first one industrial wastage. Second one urban wastage, radioactive pollutants, agricultural practice, chemicals and metallic products, and biological agents. These are the main things to effect of our soil. You can see the next one is effect of modern agrotechnology. How modern agrotechnology affect the soil. Effects of fertilizer, recent agricultural practice, the use of fertilizer, pesticides, herbicides, and sites etc. are employed to increase the soil fertility and crop production. These fertilizers crowd out essential nutrients present in topsoil layer. The microbes enrich the humus and initiate the plant growth, but fertilizer enriched soil cannot support the microbial flora. You can see this point to understood nowadays the farmer they don't know what is the need to the soil. They are using more and more chemicals. Okay, and next one, see the B1 point. It is reported that there is a 25 to 30 decline in protein content when grown maize, gram and wheat crops were grown on soil fertilizer with NKB fertilizer. You can see that potassium fertilizer in soil decrease the valuable nutrient ascorbic like vitamin C and carrot in vegetable and fruits. You can see the D1 point. Fertilizer soil produces bigger size vegetables and fruits which are more prone to pest, insecticides and diseases. The excessive use of nitrogenous fertilizers in land leads to accumulation of nutrient in the soil which are transformed to man through plants. Nitrates being highly soluble go into drinking groundwater and become toxic when its concentration exceed 90 ppm, causing diarrhea and cyanosis means blue jaundice in children. In human body, these nitrates and nitrites are converted into nitroso compound which are suspected as agent to stomach cancer. The F point you can see in recent years phosphatic fertilizer like DAP that of P2O5 is considered detrimental to crop production. World Health Organization have reported that nitrate level up to 80 milligram per liter in Rajasthan is extremely heavier than the perceivable limit of 45 milligrams per liter. So World Health Organization are reported in Rajasthan what people they are using in modern technology, agricultural technology, how affected the soil. Next you can see the effect of pesticides, how pesticides endangering life. Pesticides not only suppose a potential hazardous to man, animal and fish and livestock and but they severely affect the desired yield of crops and soil. Even the accepted dose of pesticides create deleterious effect on soil fertility. Sample of fruits, milk, eggs and vegetables collected from various important cities in India like Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, Pune, Bangalore, Kanpur, Lucknow, Hyderabad, etc. have shown that they contain pesticides residues such as DDT, dietrine, aldrin, etc. much higher than permissible limit of human tolerance proposed by WHO. These are the people nowadays they are using lot of pesticides for more product, but it is very harmful to especially like vegetables whatever you are cultivating the crops also. Okay, and you can see the from the pesticides contaminated soil when irrigated water evaporate, it may also spread pesticide molecules into the atmosphere. Right, this point is very important. Various vegetable fruits, rice, grain, wheat, gram, barley and maize are known to contain significant amount of DDT, BHC and the other organ chlorine pesticides. Organophosphate pesticides cause extreme muscular weakness, tremors and diseases and poison the animals. Many hunting birds feeding on grains, particularly contaminated with a high level of DDT, are treated with extinction. These are the how affect the pesticides in soil and environmental, how affect the animals. This is the main points. And if you like this video, please click on like button, share, comment. The next video we will go it through detail about the soil pollution. Watch to Halavat Ramesh Chem Club video tube. Thank you for your great patience. Have a nice day.